and this time I'll show you in the designer mode. So it will be a bit faster than the other because designer mode is more simple, and it's when you just want to import a part and do a quick analysis on it. So you see you have only one tab with all the options inside. So click, and this is this model, hitch assembly. Okay, so now I want to analyze that. So if I go in the walkthrough, I see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. Now, first thing to do is to create my material. So let's add an aluminum alloy. And in this mode, designer mode, you don't have property, you only have material. So you can directly assign the material like that on the different parts. And then let's assign boundary condition. So the support, for example, to this part. So I will pin that, and I will apply force to these areas. So basically I'll use this, and this will be minus 800 Newton in Y direction. Now you see that there is no contact between the parts right now. So I have to create this contact to create the connection between the mesh set. So I use contact, I select all my parts, then I can select here the type of contact I want. So I just told you the different type of contact. You have another type of contact that I didn't mention, which is the breaking weld. So it's a nonlinear also type of contact. It's basically a welded contact, but when you have a certain strain between different, a certain force between two parts, then the contact become separate. So here this is simple welded. So I click on OK, and it has been created. So now in the walkthrough you have the 9 contact combination. So the first one, the bolt with the inner part of this, so the 2 cylinders. This one is the head of the bolt with this part. Then the second bolt. So all the contact like that. So this is contact between this part and this one, the tube and the hitch, and this is the contact of the bolt. So all that is defined automatically, so you don't have to do that manually, but if you want you can also do that manually. It's not a problem. So now let's just do the meshing. Select all the parts, and the parallel meshing you see is very fast. And now generate linear analysis and solve it. Okay, and then I get my results. Now you have here you have contact between the parts, so you can also check the contact force. So I just add the result, and where is it? So I have to hide. Some parts, and you see that now you can visualize the contact force in between the different contact zone and view the minimum and maximum here. And if you want to come back and to remesh, you can do that in the designer mode. So you select the part, you decrease the number of elements, you can apply, and it will automatically remesh this part to a smaller mesh. So now you have very small elements. And you can try again to run the analysis, etc. So you see, designer mode is very easy. It's when you import a part, you do the analysis quickly, and that's all.